He is not only exceptional. Why I said so is because this man is full of heart, full of love for the people around him, for his community, for his friend, among everyone. Look, the extent to which Garkuwan Kebbi Argungu is providing humanitarian help and services, rendering free of charge to not only his people, even across border, to us who are from Sokoto. We know how Garkuwan Kebbi Argungu is helping us. He is helping a lot. Look, he is Garkuwan Kebbi without borders, because he has no limit as to who he wants to help. This guy is clean of heart, is full of heart, is full of love. So the title that was given to him is actually a title well deserved. Now, what is remaining for the people of Kebbi in general, let me tell you, having such a philanthropist person with full of heart and love to them, with no condition, now is left for the people of Kebbi State to see how they will reciprocate. They should reciprocate the type of gesture this man is doing to them. Despite the fact being unique, despite the fact that he loves it, it will encourage him more. Now this title given to him, Garkuwan Kebbi, which is the shield of Kabawa, fits him absolutely. I think more needs to be done to him, more he deserves of it, and then so that more people can copy such philanthropist activities.